Recently, I got a comment on my video, the one I made on how to choose a hot selling product on Selar. So the person was trying to find out how to get his affiliate link to the sales page, and I decided to take out time to walk you through the process. And by the way, if you haven't watched the video on how to choose a hot selling product, then make sure to stick to the end of this video because I'm going to link it at the end. So once you are done with this, you can get to watch that particular video and you know the criteria for you to be able to choose a hot selling product, even how to identify a hot selling product as well. That video is going to explain everything you need to know, how to go about it, and also what you need to do if peradventure the product that you are looking for is not on the marketplace. Now, with that out of the way, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is that you want to launch your browser. So you launch your browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, whichever one that you are using. So once your browser is open, type in affiliates.selar.co. It's going to get you to this page. So once you're at the page, make sure you sign into your affiliate dashboard. And once you are there, all you have to do, for me, you can here's the dashboard. So this is just your creator's dashboard. So if you have a product on Selar, this is where you can switch over to the creator's side of things. Now here is like where you have your affiliate dashboard, which contains all the affiliate links or the links to all products or affiliate products that you've been promoting. Then here is where you have your payouts, and then of course where you can link your wallet. Now so what we want to do is you just want to click on get started, or you can click on explore marketplace, whichever one you want to do, but it's going to get you to the same place. All right, when you click on get started, it's going to take you into the marketplace, and this is where you can explore products. But I'm going to be looking for a specific creator here. So I'm going to be looking for Bruno Nwoghu, but I think he has changed to Bruno Einstein of marketing. I think that's what he's using on selar.co. So I'll hop into it. So I'll search for Bruno, and here it is, Bruno Einstein of marketing. Now, this is a product that I've bought before. I have access to this product, so I was part of the people. I have this, then I have this 0 to 2K blueprint, and I didn't get this. So I just had this and this. So what I have to do is click on get link. So once we click on get link, it's going to show you get a link here. So you have to click on get link and then you wait. So once you are done, remember when I told you the link you want to copy. So this is your link to the affiliate sales page. Now this is the link you want to copy. This is the link that takes you directly to the product. You don't want to copy this link because it's just going to skip this process. Now what the sales page does for you is, for instance, someone that doesn't know what all these things is all about. So when the person comes, they want to go through it and read through. So I'm going to open the sales page so you see what it looks like. And I'm also going to open the link directly to the product page. So what I'll do is I'll copy the link to the affiliate page. So I already have that copied. So it's copied. And then I'm going to click on this link so it takes us to the product description so you understand what I'm saying. Here's the product description. You can see there isn't anything that is going to sell people here. It just says this product contains. It's just talking about, it's describing the product. So this is just describing the product here. Now, if you take, on the other hand, if you decide to go through the route of taking them first to the sales page and then back to this place, so it's just what a sales funnel is all about. So by the way, if you don't understand what a sales funnel is, I'm going to be teaching that. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that when I drop the video on sales funnel, you wouldn't get to miss it. Now I'm pasting in the link to the sales page so we see what that looks like. Fantastic. Now you can see what the sales page looks like. So here you have how did this 20-year-old hungry nerd from Lagos humiliate age-old internet millionaires with special set of stunning marketing secrets that made him $20,000 within 12 months while they greedily listened to every word coming out of his mouth. Now, this is a fantastic headline. He has changed it. I mean, this wasn't the headline he started out with, but this is very awesome. I love this headline, and it's a very good one. So he has his copy. Now imagine someone seeing this. The person will be more interested in finding out, okay, what exactly is this product? And by the time they go through all these and go through his story, there's an emotional response that is going to happen, and they see where he became a millionaire. Now it's becoming more convincing. This is his mentee, and then you keep on going down. The person is reading, seeing messages, seeing testimonials. So this even helps you sell easily. right? So instead of you trying to like start trying to tell people the reason why they have to, get the product and all of it, just send them to the sales page. The sales page will do the selling for you. That's why the product creator actually dedicated time to create a sales page. And this, look at this is very awesome. Now watch what is going to happen at the end of all this. So I'm just going to skip to the end. Now at the end of all of this, where you have the button, guess what happens when someone clicks here? Yes, you guessed right. It takes them directly to the product page, the same place that you would have just copied the link and skip that process. So you see, it makes everything easier for you. So next time you want to copy the affiliate link, make sure that you are copying the link to the sales page and not the link to the product page. And that will be all for now. So if you found this video valuable and helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss out subsequent videos. So if you haven't seen the video where I talked about how to choose a hot selling product, then you can click this banner up here and somewhere around the screen, and you will get to enjoy that particular video. And also, if you are interested in understanding how you can make 150,000 naira monthly from affiliate marketing, I've put together a step-by-step guide, and it's a free masterclass that gives you 7 steps that you need to take for you to be able to make your first 150,000 naira from affiliate marketing. Or probably you are someone that is struggling with having your first sale. That video is going to be very helpful. Now, one of the things I'm going to tell you is the video gives you everything you need to know, such that you don't even have to spend a dime on buying any course. Yes, I said it. If you go, you watch the video and it's not worth it, then come back, send me a message, and I'm going to pay you back money for the time wasted. Okay, so that will be all for now. And once again, I'm Michael Arisa, your friendly value mate. And remember, don't just get online, get noticed.